Everyone, my name is Sean. In this short video, I want to show you how to write your own or create your own master prompt so you can use that in ChatGPT, Claude, or any other LLM. So what is a master prompt? It's kind of help you to keep your project context consistent, defines brand, audience, tone, and goal for your caption. Let's say for Facebook or Instagram. Reduce repeated instructions, so you don't have to, keep writing your prompt. Also improves output consistency. And you can actually use a framework called RTFC inside master prompt. So it's a very simple process. So let's try to understand what is RTFC. So RTFC, R stand for role, which is who the AI should act as. What do you want AI to act as? A writer, a designer, fashion designer, for example, or copywriter. Task is what you want AI to do. Say, for example, write an article. Format could be like Instagram post or Facebook post or PPT. Context is the most important of all these four elements. It actually, the information you give to AI, the background information, the context, etc. So I actually write a simple prompt, something like this. You can write your own prompt using RTFC, or it could be just any prompt for any product. So the brand is designerbloke and the product is Nike sneaker. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this first thing. For this tutorials, I'll use to create your master prompt. You use two tools. One is a ChatGPT. The another one is OpenAI platforms. This is a URL. So I'll go to platform.openai.com. I'll hit the chat, paste my prompt here. Then this is gonna create my master prompt. So I'll just say create my master prompt. Okay, while it's creating a master prompt, they probably take a while. So we switch to ChatGPT, we go to projects, we're going to create a new project. We call it maybe IG master prompt. So let's say you're someone, copywriters or social media content creator, and you are like every day creating captions. So this will be very useful. So go to create project, and then you hit that three dot project setting, go to instructions. Okay, it's already done. So I'm going to expand this, copy everything, copy, and then I'll paste. Once you paste it, save. All right, so your prompt has been saved in the instruction. Now you can just say create engaging IG post for a new Nike Air Force One collab sneaker. Enter. Yeah, so this is how it will create a very engaging Instagram caption. Okay, and then you can copy paste this into wherever you're gonna paste. So yeah, so that's how we create a master prompt. Thank you.